Hi guys, I am Viha from SVCE. Today we're going to talk about the topic corrosion. So we're going to talk about introduction to corrosion, types of corrosion, factors affecting corrosion, prevention on control methods or control methods, corrosion monitoring techniques, impact of corrosion, and prevention of corrosion. So for introduction, what is corrosion? So corrosion is the gradual destruction of materials, usually like metals, due to chemical reactions with the environment. This usually happens due to the presence of moisture in the air. So corrosion can have a lasting effect on any metal or equipment infrastructures, leading to safety hazards and financial losses. So there are many types of corrosion. We are going to discuss three of them. The first one is uniform corrosion. Here, uniform corrosion is the most common type of corrosion. Here, the corrosion occurs uniformly throughout the material. The second type is galvanic corrosion. Galvanic corrosion occurs when two different types of metals are in contact with each other. Here, one metal corrodes faster than the other one. Next is cervix corrosion. This happens in tight spaces where stagnant water or chemicals are present, and this leads to localized corrosion. Next are the factors affecting corrosion. So there are different factors affecting corrosion, mainly environmental factors and like exposure to corrosive substances and that can accelerate the corrosion. Next is material properties, including composition, surface condition, and protective coating, which influence the rate of corrosion. Next is electrolytes, such as salt water or acids. These also increase the conductivity and the speed up the corrosion process. Next is prevention and control methods. So how can we prevent corrosion from happening? So that is by designing materials with corrosion resistant alloys. So if we mix two metals together, then their durability enhances. This will prevent it from corrosion. Next is other cathodic protection methods like sacrificial anode method or impressed current, etc. This also helps to prevent corrosion. Next is by maintaining all the metals in your infrastructure or other like gates or railings, etc. Regularly by inspecting it, cleaning the structures, etc. Prevention can also be done by applying a coat of paint. So this prevents oxidation of the metal, thus preventing corrosion. Next is corrosion monitoring techniques. Usually visual inspection is enough and it's an effective method to detect corrosion visually. Next is electrochemical techniques like corrosion potential measurement or electrochemical impedance spectroscopy, which provide quantitative data on the corrosion rates. It tells you how fast corrosion is happening or how slow it is happening. Next is non-destructive testing methods, which includes ultrasonic testing, radiographic inspection, detects corrosion without damaging the material. Next is the impact of corrosion. So what does corrosion do? This can compromise the structural integrity of buildings, bridges, pipelines, and other infrastructures. So corrosion can basically weaken any infrastructure. This usually causes a lot of destruction over time. It can lead to equipment failure, reducing operational efficiency and increasing maintenance costs. It also induces leaks, spills, and can harm the environment and pose a health risk to individuals. So what are the best prevention practices for corrosion? Firstly, it is regular inspection and maintenance programs have to be established to identify and then address the corrosion issues promptly. Next is proper design and material selection, so it can minimize the risks of corrosion. Next is educating personnel about corrosion prevention and implementing appropriate protective measures, which are very crucial. Thank you. Have a great day.